I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The path. Seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never.
Good day mga kalakwatsa, Jesse po ang inyong senior lakwatsero at welcome po sa pinakabagong episode dito sa ating channel. And for this episode mga kalakwatsa, sa ating third day dito sa magandang island at probinsya ng Siquijor, isang guest house by the beach naman ang i-explore natin. At this point, nandito po tayo ngayon sa Swaquihan Guest House, located po dito sa Solano, San Juan, Siquijor. Ang Swaquihan Guest House mga kalakwatsa ay isang highly rated na beachfront accommodation sa Sulangon, San Juan, Siquijor. Very strategic ang location nito dahil nasa tabi mismo ng main road at may direct access sa beach, malapit din sa mga sikat na bar at restaurant. So samahan nyo kami as we fully explore this place and let's all see what Swaquihan Guest House has to offer. At sa later part po ng ating video, abangan nyo yung ating important things to consider kung ang Swaquihan Guest House po ba ay mako-consider nyo as your next travel destination, as your next staycation venue dito sa island ng Siquijor. Uy mga kalakwatsa, kung nagustuhan nyo po ang video namin ito, please like and share to your friends and loved ones. At hinihingi po namin ang inyong suporta. Please subscribe to our channel, hit the subscribe button, kasama na din po ang notification bell para lagi namin kayong naipapasyal at nadadala sa magaganda at exciting destinations dito sa ating channel. Uy, siya nga pala mga kalakwatsa, for regular updates, iniimbitahan po namin kayo to follow us sa aming other social media accounts, kagaya po sa Facebook, Instagram, at sa TikTok. Kita-kits! So ano pa pong hinihintay natin? Tara, let's explore Swaquihan Guest House here in Siquijor. Tara, lakwatsa na tayo. Let's go!
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be.
Good day mga kalakwatsa! It's our third day dito sa nakabibiganing isla ng Siquijor, and for this episode, I am so excited to give you guys a tour sa pinagstayan namin. 20 minutes ride from Siquijor Port at makakarating na kayo dito sa Swaquihan Guest House, located po sa Barangay Solangon, San Juan, Siquijor. Grabe mga kalakwatsa, from the moment you arrive, you can feel na super chill at relaxing yung atmosphere. Conveniently located just beside the main road. Sa inyong pagpasok ay sasalubong sa inyo ang isa sa most photograph spot nila dito, ang kanilang alley na napaliligiran ng magandang halaman. Very Instagrammable at you cannot resist to post for a picture sa napakagandang alley nilang ito. As if you're walking to a portal papunta sa ibang mundo ang peg ng alley nila dito. Sa dulo ng alley,
located ang kanilang restaurant at reception area. Ang ganda ng ambience nila dito, parang may pagka-Thai inspired. Ang linis at ang lamig sa mata. Talagang ramdam mo yung island getaway feeling. It sets the mood agad for a relaxing vacation. Ito na yung reception area kung saan tayo magpapa-check-in. Ang mga staff dito, 10/10 ang rating. Grabe, super friendly at accommodating sila. After ng check-in, ito yung location ng room na nabook natin dito sa Swakihan Guest House. Tingnan nyo naman kung gaano kaganda ang surroundings niya. May private balcony or patio tayo dito that you can sip your morning coffee here or mag-chill habang pinapanood mo ang sunset. This is exactly what a Siquijor vacation should look like. Let's talk about the essentials, kaya room tour na tayo. Let's go inside. Pasok! Ito ang superior family room dito sa Swakihan Guest House. As you can see, sobrang laki ng space. This room is perfect for a barkada or for a family of up to 4 people. We have 2 comfortable double beds dito, so no more agawan sa kumot at sa space. At hindi lang siya malaki ha, it's 344 square feet of pure comfort. Hindi kayo magsisiksikan, promise. Now let's check the amenities. Meron tayong aircon, super lamig, perfect pang laban sa init ng island life. May flat screen TV with cable for your Netflix or YouTube cravings. Pero ang pinaka na-appreciate ko, may refrigerator tayo at coffee and tea maker. So you can keep your drinks cold and always ready for that much needed caffeine fix. Plus, fast and free Wi-Fi included pa. Nakatutuwa at may welcome card message pa tayo. Towels at laundry basket ay provided para wala na kayong problema for swimming and bathing activities ninyo. Beside ng TV ay provided din ang mga shelves para lagayan natin ng mga luggages at mga gamit. Siyempre, cleanliness is next to godliness. Ang private bathroom natin, spot on, sleek and elegant. May complimentary toiletries at kahit hair blower ay meron din. Separate ang toilet at shower area. May hot and cold shower. Super importante after a day of swimming.
But all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays. Way back a year ago.
At this point mga kalakwatsa, dito naman tayo sa in-house restaurant ng Swakihan Guest House, ang kanilang Salawaki Bar and Restaurant. Impressive ang ambiance dahil mistulang art gallery din ang paligid ng kanilang restaurant area. Madaming spots kayong pagpipilian depende sa location at number of persons na kasama ninyo. Pero one thing is for sure, buong paligid ng Salawaki Bar and Restaurant ay equally Instagrammable sa ganda. Highly rated ang restaurant nila dito at talaga namang dinarayo as we noticed during our stay. Recommended spot namin ang dining area nila dito na malapit sa beachfront area. Perfect for a romantic dinner date by the sea at kahit sa buong barkada ay sulit din naman dahil sa magandang location nito. Siyempre naman, ang spot na ito ay perfect din para sa photo op session ninyo. Kung trip nyo naman ang medyo private at tahimik na spot, ay dito kayo sa second floor ng Salawaki Bar pumunta. With overlooking view ng dagat, masarap ang simoy ng hangin, at perfect sa mahabang kwentuhan ng barkada or pamilya man while dining, kaya tiyak na mag-e-enjoy nyo ang spot na ito. Paglakad papasok sa guest house, ang pinaka-favorite ko, beachfront siya, as in, literal na few steps lang nasa dagat ka na. Imagine waking up to that view, sobrang refreshing. Kaya naman, isa ito sa mga perks while staying dito sa Swakihan Guest House. And during our stay, na-enjoy namin ang pag-stroll sa white sand area na sakop ng Swakihan Guest House at masasabi ko na talaga namang you'll get the best of everything dito sa Swakihan Guest House. Comfortable rooms, highly rated staff and restaurant, at ito na nga ang napakagandang beachfront area. Sulit ang stay nyo dito. So there you have it guys, nalibot na natin ang kabuuan ng Swakihan Guest House. Kung nagpla-plan kayo ng trip with your family or friends, I highly recommend the Superior Family Room sa Swakihan Guest House in San Juan, Siquijor. Hindi lang siya value for money pero you get that ultimate beachfront experience with all the comforts of home.
Okay mga kalakwacha, it's almost 7:30 PM dito sa Swakihan Guest House dito sa San Juan, Siquijor. Halos patapos na po ang ating first day of stay. Pakita po namin sa inyo ang ambience sa loob ng Swakihan Guest House pagka ganitong gabi na. Okay mga kalakwacha, it's our second day dito sa Swakihan Guest House dito sa Solano, San Juan, Siquijor. As you can see, maganda po ang araw. It's a brand new day, a brand new hope, a brand new beginning, and we thank the Lord for all of these blessings. Okay mga kalakwacha, sa pagtatapos ng ating Swakihan Guest House experience, here are some important things to consider.
Ang Swakihan ay nasa San Juan na siyang tourist hub ng Siquijor mga kalakwacha. Ibig sabihin accessible siya. Malapit lang sa mga restaurants, souvenir shops at sa mga sikat na sunset spot tulad ng Paliton Beach. Madali lang mag-rent ng motorbike or scooter sa paligid o mag-hire ng tricycle para sa island tour mo. Ito ang pinaka-practical na paraan para ikutin ang buong Siquijor. At sila pang mag-a-assist sa inyo sa tour or sa rent ng motor. Kudos syempre sa Swakihan team. Biggest plus ng Swakihan ay ang kanilang generator. Sa isla madalas magka-brownout, but since may backup generator sila, hindi ka mag-aalala na mawalan ng aircon o kuryente. Super peace of mind yan. Kung workation ka or gusto mo lang mag-post agad ng photos, ang free wifi nila ay reliable kaya makakakunik ka agad sa social media or sa work mo. Front row seat sa sunset dahil beachfront ang Swakihan. Guaranteed na may killer sunset view ka araw-araw. Perfect pang relax at picture taking. Tandaan na not all beachfront ay perfect pang swimming. Check muna ang tide conditions. Minsan kasi low tide kaya mas maraming seagrass. But the water is generally calm and clear, especially during high tide. Huwag kang mag-alala kung tamad kang lumabas. Ang Swakihan Restaurant ay sikat at masarap ang pagkain. Pwede kang kumain ng agahan, tanghalian at hapunan with the view of the ocean. Sobrang convenient niyan. Kung gusto mong mag-try ng iba, madaming budget-friendly at masasarap na kainan along the main road ng San Juan. Walking distance lang mula sa guest house. Ang Swakihan ay isang guest house, ibig sabihin, mas personal at relax ang ambience kumpara sa malaking hotel. Expect a friendly, homey environment which many travelers prefer. Simple amenities yet comfortable, malinis at functional na guest house. Ang focus kasi dito ay sa location at value for money. In summary, ang Swakihan ay swak na swak para sa mga naghahanap ng comfortable beachfront at hassle-free stay sa San Juan Siquijor, lalo na dahil sa kanilang reliable na kuryente at friendly staff. Nandito na lahat. Value for money, very accessible, highly rated amenities at mga staff na sobrang accommodating. Kaya naman masasabi kong Swakihan Guest House is a must place to visit when in Siquijor. Kaya kung naghahanap ka ng place na centrally located, beachfront, affordable at super komportable, ito na yun. Ang Swakihan Guest House ay swak na swak talaga sa budget at sa Siquijor itinerary mo. Highly recommended. Ready to see the rest of our Siquijor itinerary? Tara na! Uy mga kalakwatsa, kung nagustuhan niyo po ang video namin ito, please like and share to your friends and loved ones. Any reaction po and questions with regards to this video, pakilagay niyo po dyan sa comment sections. At hinihingi po namin ang inyong suporta. Please subscribe to our channel, hit the subscribe button, kasama na din po ang notification bell para lagi namin kayong naipapasyal at nadadala sa magaganda at exciting destinations dito sa ating channel.
I-attach ko po ang official Facebook page ng Swakihan Guest House para sa inyong booking at further inquiries. Maraming salamat mga kalakwatsa sa inyong panonood. Until our next episode, God bless you all. Bye for now.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. Way back a year ago.